Directions. Listen to the audio or read the slides 1 through 4. Then you must answer all blue text box questions and the check for understanding box. What does a historian do? Lesson 2. How does a historian work? Essential question. How do we learn about the past? Guiding questions. What types of evidence do historians use to understand the past? How do we write about history? Terms to know. Evidence. Something that shows proof or an indication that something is true. Primary source. First-hand evidence of an event in history. Secondary source. A document or written work created after an event. Point of view. A personal attitude about people or life. Bias. An unreasoned emotional judgment about people and events. Scholarly. Concerned with academic learning or research. Conclusion. A decision reached after examining evidence.